Anybody can use it. Any skin tone can use this lotion. If you want to brighten your skin in a way that your skin ends up looking glowing, uniform. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today is another product review day. This video is highly requested. I'll be reviewing a product. It's a Thailand product. It is made in Thailand. It's a lotion. I'll be reviewing a lotion, and this lotion is called the Gluta White Wink Lotion. How to use the Gluta White Wink Lotion for skin brightening and skin maintenance. This lotion, like I said earlier, is a Thailand lotion. It's a very, very nice lotion. It contains glutathione and collagen, and this lotion is amazing when used on the skin. It is formulated with effective and natural ingredients that helps to soften your skin, that helps to hydrate your skin, that helps to tone your skin naturally. It is not steroids, it is not hydroquinone. It is not a sharp lotion that gives you fast results and leaves you with dark patches and discoloration and all sorts of skin issues. The active ingredient in this lotion is glutathione and collagen. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant that is very beneficial for the body. It also helps to brighten the skin by inhibiting the production of melanin on your skin, while collagen, on the other hand, helps to firm up your skin and reduce the visible signs of aging. Basically, collagen is an anti-aging ingredient that is used in this lotion. Consistent use of the Gluta Wink White Lotion is going to help to brighten and rejuvenate your skin, make your skin look younger, radiant and beautiful. This Gluta White Wink Lotion is suitable for all skin types, whether you are dark, you are light skinned, you are caramel, you are chocolate, whatever your skin tone is, this lotion is suitable for you. Anybody can use it. Any skin tone can use this lotion. If you want to brighten your skin in a way that your skin ends up looking glowing, uniform, even skin tone, then I will highly recommend this lotion. There are no side effects whatsoever associated with the use of this lotion. It does not contain any form of harsh ingredients, no mercury, no steroids, no hydroquinone that will do damage to your skin. So while using this lotion, please be realistic with your results. This product is not a lightening or whitening product. It's going to mildly brighten your skin and give you a natural glowing complexion. Be realistic with your expectations while using this lotion. Don't expect that it's going to whiten you. No, it is not going to whiten you. This is a very good lotion that is safe for long-term use. You can use this lotion for a very long time and it's not going to damage your skin. It's a lotion that is safe for long-term use because the ingredients in this lotion are natural products that are safe for use on the skin long-term. The Gluta White Wink Lotion can be used day and night because it does not contain any form of ingredients that will make your skin sensitive to sunlight. Nevertheless, always use your sunscreen when you are going out of your house. While in your house, please also use a sunscreen. Every single day, use a sunscreen. Even if you are using the mildest of lotions in this world, please use a sunscreen. If you are using a lightening product or a brightening product, please use a sunscreen. If you are in your house, you are not going out, please use a sunscreen. Use a sunscreen every single day to prevent the sun from damaging your skin. The size of this lotion is about 300 ml. That is the quantity of the lotion in the bottle. The price should be between 4,000 and 6,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. But it is definitely within that price bracket. So that is it for the Gluta Wink White. So for those of you that asked that I do a review on the Gluta Wink White Lotion, this is your review. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or contributions, please indicate in the comment section. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.